Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers, back out here in Independence. On a job like this is a crack repair job, and I tell every homeowner, if you can butter bread, you can do this yourself. And if they choose to do it themselves, I tell them to go get some polyurethane and get down and spread the polyurethane over the crack. They can do the same thing we can do. It's not rocket science. It does seal the crack. The polyurethane will expand if the crack expands. It's just basically a place where we're sealing so that water doesn't infiltrate inside. But anyway, we're doing this little job for Dreama. Real nice lady. We're also doing, go in here. I agreed to, you got a crack this crack right here runs all the way through here. We're exposing the crack. And there it is right there. So you got some more tile to take out. We'll seal these cracks, come back and put, she's got 4 replacement tiles. And she's not going to have enough. Doing all this stuff, not charging for this. It's just something easy, and before the sealing gets done, we can get in here and get this tile off here and expose the crack and get it sealed. King Piers, Independence. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com.